Today, I will be reviewing the Ooni Koda 2 gas-fired pizza oven. First thing, I still absolutely love the colour of this oven. I'm so pleased I bought the blue, it's a really nice shade. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Ellie and I've been reviewing and cooking using portable pizza ovens since 2017, starting with the original Ooni 3. Now let's move on to the cooking performance. I've settled down nicely into cooking pizza with a dial set at 3/4 to full flame. For the preheat, I turn the dial up to full flame. But I get a really nice fast cook on a 3/4 to full flame, because this gives the toppings and base a good cook that times well with the crusts. It's a nice balanced flame size for a full pizza cook. You can get a strong flame and great heat using the dial, and so the flame and heat are easy to manage using this oven, and it gives me really consistent results. With the Koda 2, just get the stone to the right temperature, which is 430 Celsius in the centre of the stone. Just launch, turn the pizza a few times and then you are done. And on to the next pizza. And the next important point is that this oven holds heat really well on the stone. So you're not waiting around, and after a few minutes, you can just keep cooking. I tested the stone temperature after every pizza cook, and it stayed nice and hot, approximately only 10 to 20 Celsius degrees away from my perfect stone cook temperature of 430 Celsius. And that's what I really like about this oven. The new improved gas system really does keep the stone consistently hot. And the stone sides and front have a much more even heat distribution compared to the Koda 12. And that makes a difference because it has a bigger stone than the Koda 12. A good improvement. The design and the colour and the build quality of this oven is top level. It still looks really good and it's easy to clean. Now let's talk about the size and the weight, because this is a nice sized oven offering a 14-inch pizza stone cook, and the weight of the oven is good too. It's okay to lift and I don't need help to move it around. It feels solid but it's not heavy. And when it comes to storage, it doesn't take up much space at all with its folding legs. That's helpful if you're not leaving it outside permanently. But there is one thing I need to change on this oven, and it's very easy to do. It's the pin on the gas connector. During setup, when I connect to my gas tank, the pin is really struggling to connect into the tank. But once it's pushed in and properly connected, it stays there. I just need to use my full body weight to push down on the pin, and it's one of those small things, but it's fixable as it's on the connector and not on the oven, and is easy to replace. Who is this oven really for? If you're new to pizza making, or you're a pro, but have decided to cook pizza using a flame, and this is one of the best ovens at this price and for the pizza stone size that you could buy. This is due to the consistent stone heat and manageable flame. If you are learning to cook pizza, you will want to have the time to focus on the pizza, and this oven lets you do that. You will, however, need to learn about stone heat and flame management, as you would using any high heat pizza oven with a flame. The oven stone may get hotter than you want sometimes, especially after a number of pizza cooks. and this can happen in all high heat pizza ovens. Check out this video which shows how to reduce your stone temperature in seconds. There's one more thing worth mentioning. You can now get this oven with an optional rotating pizza stone, and that's actually a really smart upgrade because turning pizza is one of the hardest things for beginners, and so if this oven helps with that, then it's a big plus. I will continue to turn my pizza manually in this oven, but it is very nice to have that option if you want it. If you're looking for a pizza oven and want something portable, easy to use, and capable of cooking excellent Neapolitan style pizza, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for families, small gatherings, or anyone who wants great pizza on demand without wood fire hassle, but wants to cook pizza using a flame. Compared to the older Koda 12, the upgrade in stone thickness, burner design, and cooking area are noticeably different. If you need more space, the Koda 2 Pro gives you that, and even more versatility, but at a higher price and weight. For me, the Koda 2 strikes a nice balance between size, performance, and practicality. I have really enjoyed using this oven. It cooks great pizza consistently. The stone retains its temperature consistently between cooks, and it's been a reliable part of our outdoor cooking routine from the spring to the autumn. For winter, I cook inside using the indoor electric Ooni Volt 2. And for more information on that oven and the Koda 2, please check out the playlists at the end of this video and in the description below. If you have questions about the oven, pizza dough recipes or tips I've learned along the way, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!